Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Wi-Fi network setting, pair setting. In this video friends, I will show you guys how can you pair your Wi-Fi network in your Tecno phone. Guys, you want to pair guys any Wi-Fi network in your Tecno phone, so friends you can pair. And guys, now let's see how to pair Wi-Fi network in a Tecno phone. In this video friends, I am going to show you. And guys, how can you use your Wi-Fi setting in this video? I will show you friends. So first of all guys, on your phone setting to pair your Wi-Fi network. So we will on guys our phone setting, and guys you can see guys your this type of setting. So guys, click on Wi-Fi setting and guys enable your Wi-Fi. And guys, which network guys you want to pair in your phone, so you can pair from here. So I will pair guys this 5G network guys. So I will enter guys my Wi-Fi password, and guys enter your Wi-Fi password in your Tecno phone. And guys, you can see current option guys, tap here to pair. So this Wi-Fi network will pair in your Tecno phone, and guys you can use while operating any app. Example guys, you don't have guys mobile data, and guys you want to use YouTube and Instagram app like that app. So guys, you can pair your Wi-Fi network, and guys you can use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair your Wi-Fi network, and guys how to use Wi-Fi setting in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.